Hello and welcome. We're going to be decorating and presenting some handmade chocolate today. We're going to be putting quinoa puffs, as you can see here, also coconut flakes, goji berries and hemp seeds, which seem to just melt into the chocolate. We're also going to be learning how to make this beautiful chocolate into a present. I'll show you that at the end. So to make this chocolate into a really special gift, I'm just going to show you what I used. A peanut butter jar. I used some old ribbon that I found lying around, some calico, some card, and some gel pens. So I just wrote the ingredients and a little note on the back. This is what it looks like all together. I kind of tried to lay the chocolate so it's facing out so you can see all the decoration and the patterns. And yeah, I think the end product looks super nice and aesthetic, and yeah, it's just a really cute way to show your love to someone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!